So now we have used ChatGPT to create a script, and we have taught you how you can create audio as well. So I assume that you now have audio. Now it's time for us to convert that audio into video for our YouTube channel. Okay. So now guys, there is one complete free editing tool, that is OpenShot. Okay, so just search for OpenShot video editor and you will come to this tool, that is openshot.org. Just go to this tool, and now this tool works for all the operating system, whether you are using Windows, Mac, Mac OS, or Linux. Okay, so you just simply need to click on this download v3, and you just need to click on this download button. Okay, so you can see that I have already downloaded it. Okay, but you just need to click here. So if you're in a Mac OS system, so automatically this will show as a Mac button, but if you open this website from a Windows laptop, so it will show Windows automatically. So you just need to download it. Okay, so you can see I have downloaded it, and under my download, computer download, if you're from Windows users, okay, so you can just go to my computer download, and here you can see this is the OpenShot I have downloaded. You just need to double click on Mac, but same process goes in the Windows as well. Okay, so just double click and it will verify it. Okay, so let's wait for it to get open. Okay, now you just need to drag the OpenShot here. This is a process for Mac. Okay, but guys, there is one more thing which I wanted to tell you. If you're a Mac user, okay, if you use Apple's Mac OS, so we by default have iMovie. You can see we by default have iMovie. So if you're a Mac user, so just don't download this tool, because we are good to go with this iMovie tool. Okay, I will also going to tell you how you can use this iMovie to do the same operation in a later on. But for some case, if you don't want to use iMovie, so you can also download this for your YouTube video, that is OpenShot, and it works for same for all the people. That means for Mac people, for Windows people, for Linux people, it works. Then you can just go to application, and here you will going to see the tool, that is OpenShot. Okay, let's search for that tool, OpenShot. Okay, so here you can see OpenShot video editor. So I can just move this tool here as well. Okay, and I can just open this tool. Basically just double tap and it will going to open the tool for you. It will verify first of all, so you just simply need to allow it, because this is a completely uh, open source tool that will going to help you. Okay, so let's wait for it to get basically open and verify. So it will not going to take a lot of minute. Okay, done. Then okay, open. So now it will going to open a tool for this OpenShot will be open on your computer system. Okay, so here you can see it has opened. Okay, hi tutorials, and here you can see a simple basic tool. Now this is the OpenShot tool, but there's one thing which I want you guys to do. Just open one tab and just go here and search for black background, or whatever background you want to use for your videos. So I just go with black one. Oops, black background, and I can just use this one, and I will just simply right click, and I will going to save this image. Okay, so yes, HD wallpaper, and boom, it has downloaded. Okay, so here you can see this is the download, this is the image which has been downloaded. I will tell you what we are actually doing. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Now my friends, you all know that we have one audio, right? So basically under your computer downloads, under your download, you will see this audio which we have told you how you can generate the audio, right? So it is the same audio.
Hi everyone, in this video, we will be discussing how to make money.
So this is the audio which basically ChatGPT here has created as for us. Okay, so with the help of that script only we have taught you how you can create the audio.
With affiliate marketing.
So that is the same audio. Now you just need to drag, you just have to select this audio. Okay, and here is your audio, right? So you just simply need to drag this audio here. That's it. Okay, very simple. And then what you can do is that you can just go here and you can just drag this audio here, okay, on the second track. Simple. And now you just need to go to image. Here you can see at very top this image section. Okay, here you just need to drag your this image. Simple. Now you just need to drag this image to the top of this audio. Okay, and you just need to drag it at end like this. Okay, so when we will going to play it, okay, so it will also going to play with that audio. Okay, that's it. This is what you need to do. Okay, and we there's one more thing which I will going to tell you in a bit later. Okay, so this is done. Okay, and now what you need to do, you just need to go to the file, and from here you will see the option to export project, or you can say export video. You just need to click on this export video, and you can just say if I am just naming it demo video. Okay, and now where you want it to be, I want it to show in the desktop, so I will just show it to desktop. Open, that's it. And then click on the export video, and you will see that this particular will be exported, and it is working like a butter in my Mac, because Mac uh, is a okay, let's leave, but this is what it will going to do. Done. And you can see here your video is created, a demo video. Here you can see. Okay, so now your demo video is with the audio, you can see.
Hi everyone, in this video, we will be discussing how to make money with affiliate marketing.
So here you can see this is the script. Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing how to make money with affiliate marketing. So that audio is now with this image. Now we will going to add lots of graphics on this video. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Okay, so it's that simple, and this is and for this we have to use this tool called as OpenShot. Now you can just delete that. Okay, that means delete, or you can just close the tool. So now we have this video. Simple, right? And now you can just remove this too if you don't want, but main is this video. So now this is how you can just convert any particular script into audio and into video. Okay, using this tool called as OpenShot. Okay, but there is plenty of things which you can also do with OpenShot, but for this purpose we only want to do this much. Now my friends, there's one more thing which I want to tell you. If you're a Mac user, so you don't have to download this OpenShot. Okay, you can just simply use iMovie. You can just go here, and in our case we want to go with that image, right? So here we have put that image with, okay, this black one here. Okay, and we also have one audio, right? So under the download we have that audio. So just let me just go to the downloads. Okay, download, and here we have this audio. Simple, we have audio, we have image. Now you can just simply drag the audio, or let's drag the image here. Okay, and just below it you can just drag this audio, and you can just drag this particular image until this audio, and you can just export it. That's it. Okay, same thing. So if you're a Mac user, so you might know how to use, and you can just name it anything. You can click on save, and it will be ready to go for a download. Very simple, right? So this is how you can just do on iMovie. So basically if you're a Mac user, so you don't need to download OpenShot, your iMovie can do this same tasks for you. Okay, so you don't have to download the extra software. But in case for some reason, if you are a Windows user, Mac user, Linux user, you don't have any editing option, so you can just go with the OpenShot. Okay, so this is how we have converted this script to audio to video. Now we will going to add plenty of graphics to this video. Okay,